Is there anything better than a good dinner at an Italian restaurant? Yeah, maybe yes, there is. But this is also good, isn't it? Joking aside, first time you go to have a dinner at an Italian restaurant, you have to be prepared. First of all, never go to the ones for tourists. Always ask the locals where to go. Then, be prepared, because maybe Italians and the rest of the world seem to not have the same sense for portions. At the restaurant, you'll be able to choose an antipasto, which means appetizer. I'll say it slowly now. Antipasto. Please repeat after me. Antipasto. Antipasto. Sometimes an antipasto can be that big enough to fill you up. What makes Italy famous all over the world is the pasta, which, as well as pizza and soup, is a primo, which means first dish. I will say it slowly now. Primo. Repeat after me. Primo. Primo. If you're not satisfied yet, you can ask a secondo, which means second dish. I will say it slowly now. Secondo. Repeat after me. Secondo. Secondo. Secondo is always made of meat or fish. And be aware that if you want a side dish, like fries, vegetables or salad, you will need to specify that. How? By asking for a contorno, which means side dish. I will say it slowly now. Contorno. Repeat after me. Contorno. Contorno. And at the end of every good meal, ask the waiter if there is any suggested dolce, which means dessert. I will say it slowly now. Dolce. Repeat after me. Dolce. Dolce. Sometimes it's useful asking the waiter some recommendations. How? This way. Cosa consiglia come primo, or come secondo, or come dolce, which means what do you recommend as a primo, or as a secondo, or as a dolce? In fact, cosa means what. Consiglia means do you recommend in the formal form. Come means as, like. I will say it again. Cosa consiglia come primo? Cosa consiglia come primo? And now, some useful words you may need. Posate, which means cutlery. I will say it slowly now. Posate. Repeat after me. Posate. Posate. Piatto, which means plate. Repeat after me. Piatto. piatto, bicchiere, which means glass. Repeat after me. Bicchiere, bicchiere. Now remember, always ask how much you're going to spend if not specified on the menu. And remember also, tip is not included and not mandatory, but of course very welcome. After such a dinner and a good coffee or brandy, the only thing to do is getting out of the restaurant, having a nice walk, and enjoy this beautiful country that you are now able to appreciate a bit more.